We know many of you love eggs. We also know there are those who consume eggs every day. But is consuming eggs daily a healthy practice? Does eating eggs every day really create heart-related risks, as it has been the subject of speculation? Today's topic is, what happens to us if we eat eggs every day? We may have made a somewhat chaotic introduction to the video. You might have thought that eating eggs every day would cause something to happen to your heart and blood vessels, but that's actually not the case. In this video, we'll talk about 8 tremendous benefits of eating eggs every day. By the end of this video, you'll love eggs if eggs aren't in your daily diet. You'll definitely add them, and you'll ask yourself, why haven't I been consuming eggs regularly until now? First, increased focus and concentration. Eggs contain choline. Choline is now accepted as a B vitamin and helps renew brain cells. One egg contains approximately 100 milligrams of choline. Choline slows down the progression toward Alzheimer's, increases our focus and problem-solving capacity. Consume eggs every day. Protect your brain functions with choline. Second, lowering cholesterol. We know you're surprised. You're saying, "Professor, they said eggs raise cholesterol." Here's the key distinction. People's response to eggs can differ. In studies conducted on 70% of the population, cholesterol levels decrease with egg consumption, while in 30%, cholesterol levels may increase slightly. But in that 30% group, it's not bad cholesterol that increases, but mostly good cholesterol. LDL cholesterol becomes more foamy, larger, and transforms into a more benign form for the vessels. Eggs don't raise cholesterol by themselves. Consuming 2 to 3 eggs per day doesn't raise anyone's cholesterol. Even if it does rise, the elevated LDL form doesn't clog vessels. Third, increasing HDL cholesterol. HDL is good cholesterol. With daily consumption of 1 to 3 eggs, our HDL cholesterol levels increase by 6 to 13%. And we can tell you this, we don't have a medication that raises HDL. By consuming eggs, you can increase your good cholesterol and protect your cardiovascular health. Fourth, reduction in heart attack risk. Eggs protect the inner surface of blood vessels, support endothelial cells, prevent the decrease of nitric oxide, reduce vascular constriction, and regulate blood flow within vessels. All of these occur thanks to the 8 minerals and 9 vitamins in the egg structure. Eggs are a heart and vascular-friendly food. We know you're surprised. They vilified eggs, but studies show this. Scientific knowledge is accurate knowledge. Eggs don't clog arteries. Fifth, protecting eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Additionally, eggs are one of the best sources for vitamin A deficiency, which is one of the most common causes of blindness worldwide. Eggs are a powerful source of vitamin A. They protect visual functions thanks to their lutein and zeaxanthin content. However, there's an important point you need to know. For these benefits, you need to consume the egg yolk. You can achieve these effects with 2 egg yolks per day. Sixth, being a natural omega-3 source. Thanks to the omega-3 in eggs, triglyceride levels can decrease. People use medication for triglycerides because high triglycerides increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. But eggs can lower triglyceride levels on their own. What raises triglycerides isn't healthy fats. It's carbohydrates, processed foods, and simple sugars. Daily consumption of 2 eggs lowers triglycerides. With daily consumption of 5 eggs, a decrease of 11 to 16% in triglyceride levels has been observed. We're not saying this, studies are saying it. Seventh, Ideal for athletes and those who exercise, eggs are indispensable for those who don't want to lose muscle. A medium-sized egg contains approximately 6 grams of protein. Eggs reduce the risk of muscle wasting, decrease the risk of sarcopenia that occurs with age, and increase muscle endurance after exercise. They contain all essential amino acids found in nature. The egg yolk is a natural energy source. It protects muscles with its proteins and provides energy with its yolk. However, we have a small warning for athletes. If you have genetic high cholesterol, we don't recommend more than 3 egg yolks per day. If you don't have a familial cholesterol problem, there's no need to limit eggs. Eighth, eggs help with weight loss. Eggs are among the foods with the highest satiety index. When you eat toast, pastries, or bagels in the morning, you get hungry faster. But when you consume 2 to 3 eggs, you'll notice you stay full for a long time. Eggs increase the cholecystokinin hormone and provide satiety. Studies show that those who consume eggs for breakfast take in an average of 180 fewer calories at lunch. So you're taking in calories by eating eggs, but you start losing weight because you eat less throughout the day. We've learned what happens if we eat eggs every day, but we need to make a warning. In our previous videos, we discussed who can consume how many eggs. Please watch that video, because eggs can partially raise cholesterol in some people, and the egg limit is different for everyone. Learn how many eggs you should consume and consume them consciously. Eggs are health. Eggs are heart-friendly, brain-friendly. They protect against diabetes. They increase good cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol. Stay well.